I want to crack my fingers because I want to and it feels good. I really want these knuckles to crack. That part felt good. You heard that loud noise? Yes, that was a good one.